Subscribe my channel right now.
Storm Thelma to a Category 2.
This is Desert Eagle. Still no visuals on the 3 missing units.
Come on, boys, come on!
This is Reg picking up. Desert Eagle, what's the status up there?
All teams to higher ground. Big wall of water coming.
Gotta be on his way back. It'd be crazy to be out here.
Come on, we gotta get going. There's a lot of water coming.
Have you seen my wife?
Come on, get on. I found her downriver. She's gone. Get over there by those rocks. Come on, boy.
Are we gonna die?
Positive ID?
Not yet. It's pretty torn up.
Hey.
You all right, John?
Wave, husband ran away.
Well, we appreciate your help again.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Debes estar congelado. Ahora sí. Two people died.
It's hard to turn off.
Oh, son.
Come on, son. That's it. Come on.
But she's fine, John.
She liked that horse. She turned into great.
But she's going to college.
Have you seen my wife?
We are going to see.
Uncle John!
In here.
Did you finish working out the horses?
You know what this is? And I'm gonna add on these white handles.
I hate to break it to you, but jeez,
Why not?
because of the rain. About the people who died. Do you want to go ride?
Yeah,
It's crazy. I'm about to start college.
yeah, I wanted to be a soldier.
This thing for the guys who are going to college in the fall.
Show them the tunnels.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Yeah, show them the tunnels.
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss riding with you too. What are you doing down here? All of your friends have left.
Everyone had a good time.
What'd you say?
I need to talk to you about something. I need to go to Mexico. My friend Giselle, and she found him. Do that.
Because he's not a good man.
You can't just protect me forever.
Would you do that for me, please?
Querido que estés en su vida.
And I just want to know why.
What's going on?
She wants to see.
I've been thinking about it all night, and
That man is more your father. Cinturón.
That's enough.
Tell her.
you're right. Sorry about everything earlier.
No más, te ves bien. Tienes que estar toda seca manejando entonces polvo, entonces... Oh, right.
tenía tu número de teléfono.
Just now, you looked just like your mother.
Why did you leave us?
Okay. You both didn't mean anything to me anymore. Wasted time.
Ew, what happened, girl? What happened? Well, do something to get this out of your mind.
John!
What's the matter?
Just a call. Gabriela went to say your father. Fathers too.
Me gustan los perros. ¿Qué te digo? Le da para abajo. Se quiere pelar. Y me las voy a cargar. I don't know anything.
Giselle,
¿Quién eres
I'm
tú?
looking for Gabrielle.
She's not here.
Do what happened?
What happened? Her down, get her head clear, maybe get some drinks.
It's her mother's. She'd never give it to you. You're gonna take me to that club. I haven't changed. I'm just trying to keep. Get out of here.
Nos vemos mañana. A ver.
¿Dónde está? Start telling me.
Todo el día y toda la noche. No paren de jalar hasta que les diga.
Párate aquí. Ahí la de hasta arriba.
¿Dónde vas, viejo?
¿Qué haces aquí? ¿Nada? Arizona.
Esta puta es de nuestro corral.
These girls mean nothing to me or my customers. I would have not paid attention to this. Bien marcaditos, cabrón.
Get up. We'll come back.
No, yo quería quebrarme al
Subscribe my channel right now.
Disney.
No, por favor, no.
¿Quién es este güey? Dame vale madres que sea.
Si se queda tranquilo,
Debería estar mejor en un par de días.
pero esto que estás haciendo es una locura.
Yeah.
Carmen Delgado,
You don't even know me.
you were in trouble.
Help me, please. I can't do it without you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bien. A ver.
Espérame, ¿qué pasa? ¡No!
Sakucha. You'll go home. You're safe now.
Entonces nadie vio nada. ¿Eh? No. A mí me valen verga,
You came back.
Get you back home.
I'm sorry.
No. I got this back for you. Bill, I need you to keep your eyes open. Let's talk about something. Thank you. You like this? No, don't do it.
Wait!
Te extraño mucho.
Travel safe.
Come in. You find her?
She's dead.
I'm sorry. Why are you here? I will not help you again.
I want revenge.
amigos! ¡Cinco al... ¡Está bajo tierra!
Negro.
Ballroom days around.
All of them. I want you to feel my rage and rip out your heart!
Chinga tu madre.
I've lived in a world of death, a part of my mind, but my heart I would defend to the end. But I will fight forever.
Subscribe my channel right now.
Good night.
Hey. งูเห่านะพอแล้วนะคราวหน้าเงินเอง
Number one. Concentrate upon through your eye. Careful, my friend.
I'm Michael Burnett. Do you have some toast? We'd like to do that. Is that possible?
Burma's a war zone.
Well, this will be my 5th trip in, so we are aware. Let me explain our situation. Our church is part of medical attention, prayer books, your time that will help change people.
Not changing anything.
Like that keeps the world the way it is.
Let me try.
No, Sarah.
Hey, look, didn't you say it was a...
The man that you were talking to, if we could hire you to take us up the river.
In here.
Would you reconsider?
Sarah.
But you live so...
It's not my business.
Do you believe the people are put here?
The man doesn't care.
Is that so?
Yes.
Them?
There's nothing missing in our lives back home.
Nothing does change.
Of course it does. Nothing...
That we're like animals. When you're pushed, really, go home. What?
You can take in the money and be done. But you must still be faithful to... I'm scared. Thank you.
As bad as these people are, they help hold it together. I mean, well, he probably wants his privacy.
So empty out here. John. Lived
Bowie, Arizona. Small place.
long time ago.
It's complicated.
Aren't you curious?
What do you do?
Yeah, how much longer?
Yeah, just a few more hours.
We should go over the schedule.
We're engaged. Alone out here. But there's always something...
Pirates. Tell everyone to stay down, don't make us. What do you want to do?
We're a group here. If they want to...
Nobody talks.
Straight egg. Me pun sang wa. Ame, chen na la. Me no aku che chen tap. Da ne eti ke lu yu de o bai twa ja ma. O ti kho ke sa. Kho ke sa. Bai sa sa. Tu o ti kho ke. Kho la ke.
Beba maybe ya.
Ja sa. Pha de ma.
Let him go!
He would have raped her 50.
This was your idea! Our life. Our choice.
We'll be taking the overland. I know you think what you did was right, but taking a...
may dwell in your hearts with faith. You may have power together with all the saints.
Hand me one of those bandages.
Calling Raven. Come on, Raven. Go on. Talk to me, Johnny.
You just don't... I know the reasons you're here, John.
No! Damn it!
You're gonna stay here forever.
John!
Days ago, but they never came back. I request
Another alive.
because we've been in contact in the name of an ex-military American local from... Yes. I don't understand. Lord, in love. Where there is despair, joy, understood as to understanding that we receive.
Blood like a newly born. I stayed for a while in the hop, wishing well.
Hey, got a thing for retards. Fucking generals, biggest junkies of all of them. Oi, schoolboy, you stick your noble now. Come on, chop chop! Those God Squatters. Is it the trip? Has it got you nervous? Oh dear, I've seen it all before.
First-rate soldiers, but total egomaniac. The name stuck with me since sniper school.
What do you want from us?
Gotta be fucking joking. This all the rebels they put up. You know the exact location, right?
Maybe.
100? What did he say? All right, let's get this straight. We don't...
Boatman's doing.
You stay with it, buddy.
I won't slow you down.
Yeah, I know. All right. Fuck is that?
Can't tell, boy.
Your...
Man, I have seen some shit.
Head here, as warning. Mine, everywhere.
Subscribe my channel right now.
I'm within you.
We at least have to go and have a look-see.
Hey. Just calm down, calm. Anything at all.
All right.
Run him. No, they don't make it back from over there.
Who are you? No, you're not.
My kid's eyes, I'll kill you.
someplace else. Tak jam matilah.
Tidak.
All set?
Yeah.
Set.
Don't talk. Get me out.
Dick, 1 minute.
Here's one of them.
15 minutes, that's the deal. We're leaving. Let's go. I will fucking take your life right here.
Come on. Lift your foot.
No, I don't want to slow you down. Cut because of me.
Let's move out. Everybody's fault.
I was trying to. They probably have found.
Shut up, we got you. We're getting out. I know the coordinates.
We're not making it to the river with him.
Would you shut the...
They're tracking us.
Follow the shoreline till it finds you.
Move! Go! I got you.
God damn.
Where's the medical? Come and have a go at me, you lady boy cunt!
What do we do? Mike?
Subscribe my channel right now!
You know him?
ทำงานทางโน้นครับ
John Rambo!
Where'd you come in from?
Washington. About how yesterday I see you stick fighting in a warehouse in Bangkok.
I just do that for a little extra money.
This is Robert Griggs. He's a field.
Easy to find.
Why are you keeping track?
John, how much you know about Afghanistan? Civilians. Mostly peasants. And they've been very successful on many levels. The Afghan forces are now getting shipments of Stinger, as those photos indicate. So,
I put in my time.
This great soldier. Long walk down those stairs.
Do you really think we're gonna make a difference? What are you talking about?
And he found this stone, a special, until he finally finished. The statue was always there. You're always going to be tearing away until you come full circle.
I promise.
Rambo. From what we've got, or if any of this leaks, we'll get back to you.
Saguale.
Many landmines. I am Musagani. You not look like you are with military. You are not mercenary. What are you? Rick sent you the supplies you asked for. Is this what you ever see these things before? What are these?
It's a blue light.
I see. I cannot take only one man to the fort. You need. I am needed to take medical supplies. If I not. But by the way you look, I can see you have no experience in.
I fired a few shots.
A few shots. This is your choice.
My name is Colonel Zayt. Do you realize you're... Congratulations.
If I'm going to be interrogated, I want to be interrogated.
I have no superiors. You are alone here. Abandoned by your government. There is little more I can be worth information about most Stinger missed. Everyone really wants.
The Kremlin's got a hell of a sense of humor.
We are wiping out no one.
Expect sympathy?
Well, it is just a matter of time before...
Every day your war machines lose ground to... The fact is that you underestimated your competition. Can't defeat a people like that. We tried.
You wish to test me?
Alexander the Great tried to conquer this country, but Afghan people fight hard. They never be defeated. We go now. To the north there are many caves. We will traverse. In ancient days, the Afghan king was asked, "Hey, what do you think of this?"
I think the king was lucky. Village.
About 2 hours.
Where in my sector are the miss? Where? I knew you were. Where are the missiles located?
In your...
You've tried my patience long.
I tried to be civil.
Он хочет возмездить. Что?
ده شخص متبيجن أو جان رامبو ده توالو تشدا سولار.
He says. He also says he knows where this.
We will.
There's a lot of kids here.
Yeah. Men look like you. They are waiting to get weapons. When they'll get it, like. مش أصعب.
परेशानी मत हो.
संगे बच्चा.
Who's that?
There are many like him. He's the one who can help.
Mine starts here. 4 towers, 4 guards.
If we get in there.
Where is all the bad water?
Where is it?
I do not think you go this way.
This cannot be done. In there are we have lost many men. What is it you want to do?
If this is done, so it will come.
Name is Masood. Young people are very strong. Anywhere that the women are raped and killed.
The next valley. 6. This is done so they will see anything or read anything in the paper. And there's no true death for them, ourselves dead already. God is an honor. Do is to stop this killing. May speak among ourselves. And
Do not worry. They will decide soon. These were killed last year.
How much days walk?
Yeah?
Are you ready to fight?
This is for luck.
What is luck?
Look what it. Look there. Maybe 3,000 years old.
I'll take football.
Come on, let's go. Hey, alta patiche.
What are the rules?
Well, you have to take the.
Like football.
He makes so many of them.
Subscribe my channel right now.
somewhere in the wall. Where?
I'm going to the fort.
This is not your wall.
It is now.
You are a good friend.
I will show you the way.
Will not. They kill all my family.
That was me. You go, sure.
Because he do it for me.
Have you decided to talk?
Спокойно, Рекс, спокойно.
I know this place. You need me.
Mujahideen Kampuna!
Стой, стой.
Rasa! Rasa!
Говори, скотина! Разговаривай!
Айрбака!
Да нет, ничего нет.
Абаркава!
John, how the hell is...
Я слышал оттуда! Дороги там! Куда, полковник? Генератор!
Со мной вниз, ребята! Вниз!
Будет свет! Низан!
This bastard tried to destroy me. Skin hanging on the wall.
Are you insane?
Oh, God, would have mercy. What's the fastest way?
3 kilometers from here. The trail. Come with us.
Just do what I say.
I see you again.
Права колонка.
Продолжайте искать американца, я вернусь.
Hold on! Открыть огонь! Давай! Огонь! Hold on! We're going down! Come on, move it! Move it! Go on!
Inshallah.
Медленно!
How's the wound? You told us to... Thanks.
На юго-запад.
Так точно. На юго... Чего не вижу?
Спускайся вниз, наконец!
That was close, John. How are you? We don't want to make it easy for him.
Спецназ! Доклады! Отвечайте! Слышите меня?
Я буду...
Куда же ты стрельнул в нас? Докладывайте!
You get back to the hole.
Янко! Обратно на базу!
Did it, John?
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
Attack if you do not run! I order you to come forward and you will
Surrounding themselves.
drop the weapon! Now! I wish to take you back alive!
What do you say, John?
Come on!
You sure you don't want to stay?
Maybe next time.
Can you not stay?
I've got to go.
Well, I hate to admit it, but the truth is I think we're getting soft.